Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to download AIMS tutorial app, Maths 2B classes, how to get access to Maths 2B classes, and by using this coupon code also. It's very easy, very simple. Here we go now.
First of all, open Play Store and search for AIMS tutorial as shown in this video. Click on install. It will take some time to install. After installation, you have to open the application from the mobile. Let's wait for it to get installed. Okay, now open AIMS tutorial app. Then here it will ask for the sign in options, login or sign up. So you can enter your phone number here and you will get an OTP. So after receiving OTP, enter your OTP here and log in. As soon as you log in, you will see all these details. Click on the three lines that is shown in this video on the left side of your application. Then you will see study materials. So you will see all these study materials available. And you can access them. For example, here we can access max study material for the MSET. And if you open, it will automatically download, save in your device. Quickly glance over the things that are shown in this video, and also you can access the app and play around in the app so that you get a proper idea of what are the things that are available, and you can go forward as per your liking. Go to home page and click on store. Here you can buy all the courses. There is a list of courses shown here which is of 199 rupees. So if you click any course and if you scroll down, there is an option to buy now, and you will see all the content here. After selecting proper course, click buy now and select your state, for example Telangana here, and proceed for payment. It will redirect you to the payment page, and here you should enter the email ID and phone number is already given by default, and you can proceed by any payment method shown here in this video. There is an option to add a coupon code here. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see coupon code called I am a teacher 20. As soon as you apply this coupon code, you will get a discount here, and you can proceed with the payment. That's it. Thank you.